First of all, my name is Dilkeshwar. I am from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and the Data Science. Now I am going to explain about the experiment implementation of the Hidden Markov Model. That means HMM. Now, what is the objective of this experiment? To construct a Python program that determines the sequence of the hidden states from the given sequence of the observed state using the HM, that means hidden Markov model. The experiment considers two hidden states, that means sunny and rainy, and two observed states, happy at the set. Now we are going through the program implementation. First, we want to import the required libraries. That means npm, yeah, numpy as a np. Now for the hidden state, we are creating a transition matrix to define the observed state. We are creating a emission matrix, and then we are initializing the initial probability, and for the observed sequence we are arranging the one as a happy and zero as a sad. This part improves, and then we are initializing the alpha matrix. That means we are zeroing the length of the observed sequence and the length of the probability. The alpha matrix stores the probability of the observed sequence up to the each state. And in this process, we are using as a nested for loop to why because means this loop calculate the probability of being in each hidden state at the each time step. And at this part of the time, we are calculating the probability of the observed state. Calculate the probability of observed state sequence and determine the most likely sequence hidden of the hidden state. Execution on the result. This is what we get as a result. The probability of the observed sequence is 0.0109, and the most likely sequence of the weather is rainy, rainy, sunny, sunny, rainy. Though the hidden Markov model successfully predict the hidden state sequence. Now, where around we are using this hidden Markov model, that means HMM. The some application we are going to see some application of it. Speak recognition, that means modeling the phenomena in the spoken English and part of the speech text. Part of speech target, that means it identifies the grammatical categories in the text. And third one is a weather prediction. It is useful for forecasting the future state using the observed data. Fourth one is a bioinformatics, that means genetic sequence analysis and protein modeling. Fourth one is financial modeling, predicting the market trends based on the hidden factors. That's all, guys. Thank you.